Hey, this is Ankur Shukla here, and today I want to tell you about a massive problem that's about to happen to over 20 million WordPress sites, and even your site could be affected by that problem. So on October 24th, Facebook is withdrawing its support from embedding social content from Facebook and Instagram for all WordPress sites. Now what that means is that if you embed any kind of social content via Facebook post or a Facebook video or an Instagram video or Instagram images or feeds on your site, all that will disappear from your sites. What that means is that when you have social content, your site looks something like this with all the social content embedded in it, be it Instagram images or posts from Facebook. They will actually start looking from this to something like this. It'll just be text and no images, no videos will actually show up on your sites. Now this is a massive problem which will actually affect over 20 million websites. Now the problem is that Facebook wants you to actually create a Facebook app for every single site you have, and then basically obtain an authorization key called an access token. And then you need to add that information to your WordPress site in order to get this working again. Now, if you are technically savvy and you're smart, you can do this in about 10 to 15 minutes. If you are not and you don't know how this process works, it can take you anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to get all of this done. Now this is not practical for everyone, and that's why in order to make this very simple for you, me and my friends have created a WordPress plugin called WP One Click Social. Now with the One Click Social plugin, all you have to do is basically install the One Click Social plugin over here and activate it from your WordPress site. After that, you will see the One Click Social plugin over here, and you can go into the settings page over here and connect to Facebook in this one-click way. Just connect to Facebook, just click on continue, and just approve the app to actually do your work, and that's it. In just one click, your Facebook account is now linked to your site, and all the automatic authorization has been done to enable the content on your site. So if Facebook breaks your site on October 24th, which it will in most cases, your site will basically go from looking like this before to basically looking like this after. And then once you enable this plugin and add my plugin to your site, it will go from looking like this back to something like this. Okay, all the social content will come back to your site, all your social traffic will start coming back to your site, and all those problems will be solved. Now there is a manual way of doing this, and the plugin also supports the manual way of adding your app ID and app key. So if you prefer doing it manually using the Facebook recommended method, you can do it using option 2, but we made it an automatic process for you to do this, to solve this problem for all these websites. So tell me what you think about this. Leave a comment below and tell me if you like this plugin and if you think this will solve a massive problem, because many top WordPress sites, top bloggers are writing about this problem, and they want you to know that this is going to break your site. And that's why we decided to be ahead of the curve and basically solve this problem for every one of our customers, and that means you. So leave a comment below and win a free copy of this plugin. Thank you.